let's get you over to Tom now to talk about our Friday forecast. And yeah, you're going to want to pay attention.
Definitely. We've got a continuation of these winter hits that just keep coming through the month of March, and yet another one brewing. This is how it looks at the moment. Surface low west, a front, a warm front. This is the main player for the weekend. It's going to eventually track in here overnight and into tomorrow morning. And where this boundary sets up is going to really dictate what happens tomorrow as far as winter weather over to wet weather, and we're going to see both. Some of the winter weather, though, could have some heavy snow thrown into the mix, especially up north. We talked about this yesterday. So just a rundown of the current stats. We are just shy of 12 inches of snow. That's not for the season. That is for the entire month of March. That's it. We're up to our sixth snowiest March on record. And if you look at the season total since last July, of course, that's when it starts, but the bulk of it came down, of course, over the winter, 19.5 inches of snow. And now we keep getting these hits of snow into the spring. It's officially spring. We're still talking winter weather. And there's another round brewing. This moisture out west will hold exactly there, not a concern. You can see the developing system up north. There are winter storm warnings from North Dakota, South Dakota, down into northern Illinois. We have a winter storm watch out for northern Kentucky, the same one that was out yesterday. It's been expanded south, though, and does include now Harrison County, Scott County, and also Bourbon County, Nicholas County, out towards Owenton. Owen County, you're in on it, and those northern Kentucky counties up through Maysville, northeast. And a winter weather advisory for lesser amounts east. So, yeah, we're going to get another hit, but notice Fayette County and a lot of our surrounding counties not under any kind of a watch advisory, anything like that. We're going to be right on that dividing line, which makes the forecast that much more difficult. 27 degrees now. It's cold. Highs around 50 today, but here come the increasing clouds overnight, and here comes the moisture. And you can see the snow on the northeastern edge of it where it's colder, and then that warmer nose coming in with that warm front. Look how literally we were right on that dividing line in Lexington Saturday morning. So the best chance for accumulating heavy, wet snow is going to be northeast, and as we go through the day, that should push a little farther north. So a lot of our southern counties are in for mainly cold rain. All this snow talk, I know. Guys down around Somerset and London, you're just looking wet. And then it tapers off by Saturday night. First look at totals, and this is likely going to change is due to where that front will set up. It'll have a huge influence on how much snow we see, but we could be talking inches of snow. Highly localized bands of it, though, with anywhere near a half a foot up towards the river around Maysville. 2 to 4 inch band northern counties over to an inch or two in our eastern counties, and then maybe a brief mix to mainly rain into our southern counties. So look out. Travel could become hazardous if you're driving into northern Kentucky and especially up into Ohio and Indiana, starting overnight, definitely through the day Saturday. So enjoy the near 50-degree high while you can with partly sunny skies. The clouds thicken up, the moisture tracks in overnight. We're down to around freezing. Notice we only dropped to freezing, and then we're back in the upper 30s to low 40s. So, yeah, the temperature spread is going to be huge as well. Colder northeast and then milder south, where you're mainly talking about a cold rain. And then by the end of the weekend, we're bouncing back out of it. Pretty typical for March. A quick recovery, low 50s and sunshine Sunday. Still tracking 60s heading our way next week and possibly for more than just one day.